Okay, this is a fresh class on video editing, and I'll be starting based on you don't know anything about video editing. Um, there are different software used for video editing. There's the Premiere Pro, there's the After Effects, there's the Final Cut, there's the DaVinci. I won't be going to all those ones. I'm going to start from the simple and basic tools, self-explanatory. That is called Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, a first timer in Premiere Pro, when you open your Premiere Pro, you'll see some characteristics like this you're seeing right now. Don't allow it to be scary, it's just a simple interface for you to open your project or create a new project. Okay, I'll start in this video. I'm going to explain all this interface you're seeing right now. So if you look at your left corner side, you're seeing two buttons: new project, open project. And up here you're seeing file, edit, clip, sequence, mark, graphics. All this tab up here you don't need. I won't explain this one now. I will explain it in the video coming after this. So I'm going to explain this home tab. This is called a home tab. If you see right now here, you're seeing your new and open projects. This new is for you to open a new project, like you want to start editing, you want to edit a project for the first time, that you've not created any project, you've not worked on that project before. You use this new to create a new project. Then you have the open project. Okay, you've worked on a project before and you want to go back and rework on that project, or you've not finished the project, you want to go back um how will I put it? You want to go back and work on that project and finish the project. Here you're seeing recent. Under this recent is the recent project you've worked on. Is like it is the recent project you've worked on. You can search from here, this filter here. You can search the name of the project you've been working on. There is if you save it properly. If you look at my own, I'm not saving it properly. I'm using funny words to use and save my project. So if you know the project you're working on, you can come to this filter, type the name, and it come out. Then if it's something that you've worked of recent, you'll see it on the dash cam, that your home page. You see it on your home screen. These are the jobs I just worked on of recent. Not really like a gang work. I just did something of recent, just something to play around with. That's what I did here. So that is that about this home page. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to open a new project. Thank you and see you later.